Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your town's name in Township game. If you want to change your town's name in Township and give your town a fresh new identity, just follow along carefully. First, open the Township app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are logged in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. You will then be able to see your profile section. Click on Edit right at the bottom left, and then click on the pencil button right next to your current town's name at the top. Now go ahead and enter your town name you want to change to. In this game, player name and town name are the same. After typing down the name, click on Confirm, and then once you are done, you can get back to the game and you will be able to see your town's name has been changed. So that's how you can easily change your town's name or update your town's name on Township game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.